Hey guys, welcome to Myra Beauty. Today, shampoos. We're doing 3 DIY shampoos. So we're not actually doing them from scratch. So it's gonna be a super short video. I got the cleanest shampoo I could find. This is called Free and Clear. It says sensitive skin, but you know, I was trying to find an unscented shampoo that was clean, basically. So anyway, this one says it's free of dyes, fragrance, paraffins, proteins, and other preservatives, and two words I can't pronounce. So anyway, so we're using that as a base. And like I said, it's gonna be super quick today. So I got 2 ounces of shampoo, and you can double this recipe if you need to. And so I got that, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add, it's like a tablespoon of green tea. Green tea helps with dandruff. So
that's what I need.
Which is what you need. So this is good if you have dandruff. Then I got like a teaspoon of olive oil. And that's about a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera can help, like if you have dandruff, you've been scratching, it can help with the inflammation in your scalp.
What a cute spoon.
What a cute spoon. Y'all like mine. It's basically a froyo spoon. Yeah. But anyway, that's it for that one. And now we're going to go to the next one. Okay, we're back. So this is our second one. We're going to do a stimulating shampoo. So we got our base of our Free and Clear shampoo and just adding avocado oil. Avocado oil has vitamins B and E, and it helps strengthen hair. I'll stir that in. And the only other thing you're gonna add to this is peppermint. I'm gonna do like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then tea tree oil. And then you have to come out. You come out. Well, there you go. Okay. Y'all don't judge me. Okay. So basically the tea tree oil and peppermint's gonna stimulate your scalp, and it's gonna promote hair growth. And I already said about the vitamin or the olive oil. Yeah, y'all know. Anyway, that's it for that one. Simple and easy. And now we're gonna go to the third one. Okay, darlings, we're at our last one, which is a moisturizing shampoo. There we go. So we got our shampoo base as usual, and we're gonna add coconut milk. Coconut milk is super hydrating. Awesome. And then we got honey, which we also know is a natural humectate. It's super hydrating as well. Stir all that up. And then we're gonna add jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is going to help balance the moisture. All right, there you go. Boom. 3 shampoos that you can make on your own. Not really from scratch because I use a shampoo base, but you know what I mean. And I got this at Target actually. So I haven't seen it anywhere else. So if you're trying to find this, it's at Target or on Amazon, I'm sure, because Amazon has everything. Yep. So anyway.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Love you.